more details about alkane. We know alkane mean compound which contain carbon-carbon single bond. Alkane mean compound which contain carbon-carbon single bond, that is alkane. Okay, the compound which contain carbon-carbon single bond, such type of compounds are called saturated compound. Compound which contain carbon-carbon single bond only. Such type of compounds are called saturated compound. Okay, they are saturated with hydrogen. Look here, CH3 single bond CH3. Here, both carbon atom which contain 3 hydrogen and their valency completed. Such type of compounds are saturated compound, and we know alkane, they have general formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkane, these are the simplest hydrocarbon family. Okay, alkanes are the simplest hydrocarbon family. Okay, all alkanes are hydrocarbon. They are hydrocarbon which contain carbon and hydrogen only. These are the simplest hydrocarbon. Clear? The major source of hydrocarbon is natural gas and crude oil. The major resource of alkane is natural gas and crude oil. Okay, hydrocarbon or alkane which contain 1 to 4 carbon. The first 4 members of alkane are gaseous state. Okay, alkane which contain 1 to 4 number of carbon atom, they are gaseous state. Next 12 members mean the compound which contain alkane which contain 5 to 16 carbon atom. Alkane which contain 5 to 16 carbon atom, they are liquid state. Okay, and the compound which contain more than 16 carbon atom, they are solid state. They are solid state. Clear? So here alkane which contain 1 to 4 carbon atom, they are gaseous state, and 5 to 12 alkane which contain 5 to 12 carbon atom, they are liquid state, and compound which contain alkane which contain 5 to 16 carbon atom, they are liquid state. Okay, and alkane which contain number of carbon atom more than 16, they are solid state. Check here, you can see here one table. Here you can see different type of alkane, their molecular formula, structural formula, and melting and boiling point. You can see here melting and boiling point of alkane increases with the increasing number of carbon atom. When you are drawing a graph here number of carbon atoms here, and here melting or boiling point of hydrocarbon. So you can draw the graph like this. Okay, so it indicates that melting and boiling point increases with the increasing number of carbon atom. Clear? Okay, next one we have to understand here reactivity. Reactivity of alkane. Generally alkanes are unreactive. Okay, but alkane used as fuels. Some alkane used as fuels. For example, methane. We know the major chemical content of natural gas is methane, and it used as fuel. Okay, so here alkane, after burning in excess amount of oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide and water. All alkane, after burning in excess amount of oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide and water. See here one example, CH4. After burning in excess amount of oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide and water. Similarly, you have to remember alkane after burning in limited supply of oxygen. Okay, not excess of oxygen, limited supply of oxygen. Alkane after burns it produce carbon monoxide and water. Okay, alkane after burning in limited supply of oxygen it produce carbon monoxide and water. Excess amount of oxygen, product will be carbon dioxide. Limited supply of oxygen, product will be carbon monoxide and water. This is example here, methane after burning in limited supply of oxygen, carbon monoxide and water. Clear? Also, alkane undergoes substitution reaction. Alkane react with chlorine or bromine in presence of sunlight and heat. It will change to chloroalkane or bromoalkane. See here one example, CH4, methane. Methane reacting with Cl2, chlorine single bond Cl. This is Cl2. Okay, here Cl2 reacted with the CH4. Here one of this chlorine replaced with hydrogen. Here this chlorine will substitute with the hydrogen. That's why this chemical reaction called substitution reaction. Here chlorine substitute hydrogen. See here it was hydrogen, now chlorine substituted. Such type of chemical reactions are called substitution reaction. Okay, this is substitution reaction. Here chlorine reacted with CH4, Cl2 reacted with CH4, it changed to chloromethane. Okay, this type of compound CH3Cl, it is called chloromethane. So remember here, methane reacted with chlorine in presence of sunlight, chloromethane and hydrogen chloride formed. Similarly, another question, chlorine reacted with propane in presence of sunlight, what will be the product? You have to say chloropropane and hydrogen chloride. Similarly, bromine reacted with methane, bromomethane and hydrogen bromide. Bromine reacted with ethane in presence of sunlight, bromoethane and hydrogen bromide. Clear? Okay, next one we have to discuss here isomerism. Isomerism. See here two molecules are given. See here, in this molecule you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon and a number of hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This molecule which contain 4 carbon and 10 hydrogen, molecular formula C4H10. See here, this is straight chain molecule. This is straight chain molecule. But this one branched molecule. Look here one branch. 3 carbon here and 1 carbon over here. This is branched molecule. Also you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This molecule also contain 4 carbon and 10 hydrogen. So both molecule they have same molecular formula same, but they have different structure. This is straight chain, this is branched molecule. Okay, so this type of molecules are called isomers. Isomers mean two or more different molecules. They have same molecular formula. They have same molecular formula but a different structure. Okay, this type of different structure. These molecules are called isomers and this phenomena called isomerism. Two or more different molecules have same molecular formula but different structure. These molecules are called isomers. Okay, these molecules are isomers and this phenomena called isomerism. Clear? So isomers they have same molecular formula but different structure. Remember, isomers. Okay, also you remember isomers and isotopes, they are different. Isotopes you learned before in chapter 3. Okay, that is isotope. This is different one, isomers. Isomers mean different molecules, they have same molecular formula but different structure. Okay, that is isomers. And see here, this is one molecule and this is another molecule. Here this molecule contains 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. And this molecule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. So here one molecule which contains 4 carbon and another molecule which contains 5 carbon. Which molecule shows more isomers? This molecule with more number of carbon atom, they have more isomers. Number of isomers increases with the increasing number of carbon atom. Remember this, number of isomers increases with the increasing number of carbon atom. Okay, also different isomers. So these two are isomers, they have different properties. For example, melting and boiling point, this type of properties not same for isomers. They have different properties. Okay, so here remember, isomers, they have same molecular formula but they have different properties, they have different structures. Clear? Okay, next one we have to understand here alkenes. We discussed alkanes. Next one, alkenes. Alkenes mean compounds which contain carbon-carbon double bond. That is alkene. The general formula for alkenes